I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming where your notes live and making a fresh backup. First, open Settings and make sure iCloud Notes is enabled so syncing works. Next, check mail accounts for any provider that might host notes. Disabled accounts stop sync. Once done, trigger an immediate iCloud backup so you have a recovery point. This ensures you restore from a current snapshot rather than an older state. You're setting a safety net before deeper recovery steps. Now you'll verify and force resync from the server. Go to iCloud, com and open Notes. If you see the missing items there, toggling Notes off and back on in Settings forces a full download. If nothing appears on iCloud, consider restoring the iPhone from the recent iCloud backup you made earlier. Erase and set up, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup. This brings the whole device state back, which recovers notes tied to that backup. Proceed carefully. Finish by searching obvious places and using targeted fixes. Check the recently deleted folder and non-iCloud folders, such as on my iPhone or Gmail. Notes often move there. Make sure account sync is enabled, storage isn't full, and iOS is updated. These factors block syncing. If notes remain missing, restore from the backup you created or use a reputable third-party extractor to read the backup without full device reset. If that fails, contact Apple support for account-level recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.